What's up YouTube? It's your boy Drip-SNKRS back with another YouTube video. Today we will be looking at these shoes from StockXShoesVIP.net. These are the Jordan 1 mochas and we're going to be unboxing them. Let's get into it. So this is what the box looks like. It looks pretty nice. It came freshly shipped. Everything looks perfect. The box looks great. So this is what the shoe looks like in hand, and let me just tell you, looks amazing. Just look at that suede. You can really see it's really alive. We got a toe box test right here. Pops up right away. That leather just feels really good. Over here we have the Air Jordan logo. The R and D do touch. And just the suede, as you can see right here, like, you can just see how vibrant that is and how that just moves. How good this shoe is. I didn't think StockXShoesVIP.net would have this good suede on the shoes, but they literally do. So I'm low-key getting a bunch of suede shoes. Like last time I got the Jordan 4 UNCs. This time I got these because their suede shoes are it. This is the bottom of the shoe. Look how nice that looks. It's pretty soft. These do look very comfortable, and just like every detail looks right. Like I said, the suede is just one-to-one and it's perfect. Again, toe box test. Then we come with this StockX sticker right here. Look, you have so many of these. StockX tag. This little Nike thing that it usually comes with. This lucky scratch, bonus scratch here from StockXShoesVIP.net. So I will be scratching it at the end of the video. And then of course, we have thank you for our purchase. And then here we have the back where you can contact them. I'll have all their info in the description so you can contact them easily. Just look at this shoe, bro. It's just so good. Definitely recommend for you guys to buy it. It's not even that much money. It's like around 30, and these shoes are just one-to-one. This is the inside of the shoe. It says Nike Air. Everything is just perfect. So let's do the lucky scratch and let's see what we get. Alright, so this is the lucky scratch right here. As you can see, I don't really have a coin, so I'm just gonna use a StockX tag right here and we're gonna see what we get. So we got 14% off for an Air Jordan 4. It's pretty good because it just comes with the shoe. That's a pretty good scratch off ticket. Like I said, these Jordan ones are just the best quality ever. Just look at them. Holy. So tough. And the suede is just one-to-one. Thank you, StockXShoesVIP.net, for sending these shoes out. That's pretty much it for the video, guys, and see ya.